Kuala Selangor Nature Park is not just a mangrove swamp. It is a haven for a wide variety of flora and fauna, divided by two main areas: secondary tropical rainforests and mangrove swamps. In 1987, Kuala Selangor Nature Park was opened. Since then, this park has been managed by Malaysian Nature Society, or MNS. They make sure no wildlife or any natural habitat is damaged for years, and they will continue to do so. Kuala Selangor Nature Park allows visitors to come and see its unique and magnificent wildlife, of course, with several conditions that visitors must follow. A few of them included: do not feed the monkeys, do not litter, no harvesting is allowed, and please stay on the pathways. This park offers facilities that visitors can find useful. Visitors, especially those who are planning for staycation or research purposes, can book either dormitory, chalet, and even an A-frame chalet for staying overnight. It also has its own library where visitors can read books about the wildlife that can be found in the park. A few huts were built for visitors to take a rest on the journey along the pathways. In the park, a mangrove nursery was built as a temporary place for new mangrove seedlings to stay before they are planted in the mangrove. In 2021 only, this nursery houses more than 6,000 seedlings. Kuala Selangor Nature Park is home to a number of bird species such as grey heron, kingfisher, and Brahmini kite. Apart from local species, some of the birds that can be seen in the park came from the cold climate of the northern region, traveling to the warm climate in the south, searching for food. This can also happen vice versa once the north becomes warm and the south gets colder. The annual bird migration occurs in May and November globally. The park is also a habitat for long-tailed macaque and silver-leaf monkey. The infant silver-leaf monkey, or in Malay, lotong, has orange fur contrast to its parent, whose fur is black. Visitors are advised not to feed the white monkeys as it may alter their diet and cause them to associate humans with food. White monkeys may become vicious, especially when they are provoked. Stepping into the mangrove, colorful fiddler crabs can be seen creeping away from their holes and searching for food. Other than fiddler crabs, mud crabs and tree-climbing crabs are among the species of crabs living in the mangrove. During high tide, these crabs will hide in the hole waiting for the low tide to come to hunt for food. Gastropods are among the many species that can be found in the mangrove. Among them, gastropod species that can be found in this park are Telescopium telescopium, Ceratidia obtusa, and Asimania sp. Other than food sources, gastropods are sometimes used as a biological indicator for metal pollution in mangrove. Living in the mud, diverse species of mudskipper can be found crawling and swimming in the mangrove. In this park, a huge-sized mudskipper can be seen in the mangrove, befitting its name, giant mudskipper. At times, monitor lizards with size ranging from 1 meter to 2 meters swim along the estuary, hunting for food. If you look closely at the ground, hiding among the leaves, stood a perfectly still skink on the wood. Very seldomly seen, sea otters swimming in the lake of Kuala Selangor Nature Park. Aside from fauna, Kuala Selangor Nature Park also has a wide variety of flora.